The number one factor that affects crop yield is one everybody's aware of. They have the least control over. It's the weather. Planting date is determined by the weather. If I have my weather dream, I'd take rain July. I saw a lot of hot temperatures in August that were weather events, and I suppose a hailstorm is a catastrophic weather event as well. So weather is the number one factor, either making you look like a good farmer or spoiling all your best management. Well, weather is by far the number one factor that affects crop yield. So the not being able to control the weather from a research standpoint, it means I have to do it in many different years in many different locations so that our research relates to very different weather conditions. What we're looking at here is our attempt to control the weather. These are heat tents. We sat this over a 20-foot a row, and we're increasing the temperature here 14 degrees Fahrenheit over normal during the daytime, and it allows us to study the potential impacts of high temperature on plant growth and yield. And anybody will tell you in 2010 in a lot of the Corn Belt, high temperature was a big factor in negatively impacting crop yield. This is an excellent example of a nitrogen-weather interaction where too much weather in the form of excess spring rainfall has resulted in nitrogen loss, which has impacted the growth and ultimately the yield of the crop. And you can see this by the poor color and short size, and worse yet, the small size of ear of the plant.